Are you ready to take control of your task and boost your productivity? ClickUp can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficiently. Alright, so let's get started right now. I will show you how you can use this platform and how you can sign up and other things. First, let's just know what is the pricing of this platform. So let's click for the pricing and you will find here the plans. We have the first one which is for free and it's absolutely for free. We have here key features like 100 megabyte storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat. We have here Kanban boards, sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager, basic, in application video recording. We have 724 support and work form as well. Then also we have other package like we have here for small teams and you have just to pay $7 per month, and we have here the key features. The same thing with for here we have mid sizes teams and you can just get started if you want, and we have here key features before getting started that you have to know after choosing the package that you think it's more better or more comfortable for you. Then we have enterprise as well, and we have best for many large teams. So also we have here key features and you can just use the one you want and you click over here to select the one you want or the one you need and you get started with this platform. If you want to just sign up for free, you click over sign up in the top right and you'll find other page which is this one. You have just to enter your email address and you click over next, then you will find other page which is this one. We have here two options. You can use the option of Google and you have just to link your email address and other information, then you get started with ClickUp. Or you can just add your full name and here we have example of email, and also you can choose the work email and the last one which is choose a password, and we have here condition which is minimum 8 characters. Then you click over reply with ClickUp and you will find other page which is this one. And we have welcome and we have here some questions that you have to answer after getting started. So before getting started, So here we have what could you like to use ClickUp for, if it's work, personal or school. For example, I will select work, then we have how large is your company, I will select between 1 and 10, then we have how many people will you be working with. Select just me. Then we have how would you like to manage. I will select here each and recruiting, for example. Then we have how you hear about us. I will select, for example, Facebook and Instagram to use any of this to do, to work or to use, and I will select, for example, Excel and CSV. Then we click for next. Then we have which features are interested in. I will select, for example, whiteboards and I will click over next. Then we have here lastly what would you like to. I'll select here, for example, whatever you want, for example like that. Then you click over finish and you'll find a dashboard like that. So after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then you have just to add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Visualize view like calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have just to explore automation options and integration with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. So in the dashboard, we have several things that you have to know. In the left, we have, for example, these options like we have clips, timesheets. You can just select the one you want. That's what characterizes this platform. We have various things in one platform or one website. For example, you have, if you want to add clips and you record, you can just click over here clips, and you have just to choose if you want the option from a microphone, and we have full screen, and you start just recording like that. And also you can just click over Control Alt and S. All right, then we have here phone timesheets. You can just add it right now here, and we have here enter the time and just select tasks if you want, and just select also the time and you get started. Then we have here phone more. You will just use it, click over more, and you will find if you want to add documents, dashboards, whiteboards, clips, goals, timesheets. For example, let's select dashboard like that. So in the dashboard, you will find here to the dashboard template. You have just to get started with a dashboard template or create a custom dashboard to fit your exact needs. For example, here we have simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal, and here we have start from scratch. I will just, for example, select this one, and I will click over start free trial, and here we have line chart. I will click for upgrade to business, and we select the package that you want. All right, so this is it for this one, and let's come back here to the home page. All right, also here we have an, if we scroll down, we will find here other things, like here we have, if you want to hear everything, click over it, and here we have team space. So about this one, you have just to click over here for team space for list, documents, form, whiteboard, folder as well. And we have here from template import. For example, let's select folder, you write the name, and here we have the status, and you click make it private, and you click over create. All right, so this is how you can create a folder right now here. And also we have here view all space if you want. So here we have new space, and you have just to create a space like that, and you click over new space. Then we have here for a create space, you write here the name and the icon and the description, then you click over continue to get started. All right, so this is it for this one. Let's come back to the home page. We have here of several things in the home page. All right, so when we have the tasks, if you want to just do some tasks, and you can just add a task or reminder if you want, my work, and we have here some assigned to me if you want to add tasks as well. And also we have, if you want to add a calendar integration as well, and we have other things. You can just select the one you think is better. Then we have here the option of documents, then we have here dashboard, clips, timesheets, then we have more if you want. Then we have here inbox as well. Then we have home, and here we have, if you want to manage cards in the top right here, you can just click over manage, and if you want to here stand up, recent, agenda, my work, assigned to me, personal list, assigned comments, line up, reminders as well. So this is how you can get started with this platform. It's very helpful to use it, and let's get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys have a fantastic day ahead.